If your accountant does not know how to make use of VStack stroke HStack, then there is a problem. And I'm not saying that you go out of your way, in this case, you have to reduce their salaries. No, what you need to do is to empower them through training. Send them to my courses, especially the advanced Excel course and the business data analytics courses that I charge just Kenya shillings 8,000. And I'll be able to give them invaluable skills, which will make them to be more efficient at the workplace, which will mean they will start liking their work even more. So what would I want to do today? Very easy. I would want to use these few minutes to demonstrate something very important here. So assuming, ladies and gentlemen, you are given this kind of data. You're given this kind of data here. You're given this kind of data here. Somebody has been able to capture this information in form of what? It's a student's list, right? For January and for February. And then we would want you to combine both of them. I know what we've been doing as accountants is to copy this and then you paste here. Copy for February, you paste there to get just one combined list. That's a long procedure. What if you had so many months? What if you had so much in terms of information? And again, at the end of the day, even if there are few tables like these ones, if you combine manually that way, then the table will not be automatic. So what you need to do, come here to the January, just click anywhere inside here and create a table out of this. How do you create a table? It's Control T. So once you say Control T, like that, so the table name, I can see this table number 11. I can rename it, but let me leave it like that, table 11, so long as you master this. So then we have February, also change this to a table. So we have Control what here? Table. Control T. Then you say, okay, so this becomes table number what here? 12. So you can rename this as we said. So now once you've done that, come and give us the combined what here? Give us the combined table using the VStack. Remember, to stack is to lay either on top of each other or by the side, just like the way we lay down bricks for purposes of what here? Construction. So we'll come and say VStack. So it's VStack here. Great. So array number 1, you simply write the name of the table. Like now we had table number 11. Table 11, it's here. Then I say comma. We have here array 2 is table 12. Table array 2 is table 12. It's here. Just double click like that. And then I'll be able to do what here? I'll be able to straight away, in this case here, close bracket, and I say enter. So you can see in this case here, you've been able to come up with that list of students. So if I wish, I can come here and, for example, just have the title. So Control Shift plus to add the new row. And then I can have here like the student's name, the student's name. We have in this case here fees paid. And then we have in this case here the date. So you can see the date is not very nice. So simply I'll come and click inside here. All right. I'll click inside there. It's general. I should be able to put this in form of what here? Just a short date like that. Once I'm here, I should be able to come and double click here to have all these others being what here? Dates like that. And then the most interesting thing is that if, for example, I come here and add one student, if I come here and add one student, call this student, for example, Patrick, call the student here Patrick, who was paid in this case here, for example, 5,000, whichever date I can adjust later. But if I do that, please check on the combined list. On the combined list, in this case here, you'll be able to see Patrick, who was paid the 5,000 like that, because the date was missing, of course. So this table is able to adjust itself automatically. So I hope this is helpful, and somebody will be able to join my classes immediately by calling 0793 555 000. Thank you.